Introduce yourself. Okay. Introduce yourself. Introduce yourself.
Inisap eh. Inisap ka? Inisap. Inisap ka?
Magandang afternoon. Salamat.
Bumalik ka.
Hi, good afternoon, ladies.
Huwag na kayo magsigaw. Malalaya pa pala yan.
My name is Juliet, but most of my friends call me Ate Mel. I was born in the upper part of the Philippines, mostly likely called Baguio City. And I am a pure Igorot. I was born in the year 1958. And now I am double 6 years of age. Treat me because yesterday is my double 6.
Happy birthday!
Thank you. Okay. Meron pa akong kasabihan. Ang kayabangan ay hindi ikakayaman.
Orange is not the humble. Humble is not. Humble